Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have had some requests to make some more tutorial videos with my DesignSpark mechanical software. I had created 12 videos 3 to 4 years ago when I was using the free version 5 of DesignSpark Mechanical, and much of the instruction in those videos is still relevant, but since DesignSpark Mechanical has a newer version and changed their pricing structure, I wanted to start all over and create new videos with the version 6.03 that I'm using now. I have a monthly subscription to the creator version of DesignSpark Mechanical. Let's take a look at the different options of this software. Here are the different options that they currently have. They still have a free option called Explorer, although they disabled some features in version 6 that used to be free with version 5. The Creator, which is what I use, is only $13.20 a month, and the Engineer is available for just $19.80 a month. I have been subscribed since January 2024, and the Creator at that time was $11.99 a month. And my monthly subscription has not gone up, even though they are now charging $13.20 a month for new subscriptions. Let's take a look at the comparison of their subscriptions, and I'll show you why I decided to go with the Creator option. You can see here that the free Explorer option does not allow you to create drawing sheets, but the Creator and the Engineer do. I like to create a drawing, or what you might call a blueprint, and print it out and take it to the shop so I can see exactly what I'm making and the dimensions that are critical. Cosmetic threads are nice to have, but not necessarily a deal breaker. But what really made me sign up for the Creator subscription was the ability to import and export STEP, IGES, AutoCAD, DWG, and DXF formats. That used to be free in old version 5, but it went away in version 6 when DesignSpark Mechanical went to a subscription model. Let me make a disclaimer here that I am in no way an expert with DesignSpark Mechanical or even 3D modeling for that matter. I have lots of experience with SolidWorks as it was used by the companies I used to work for before I retired. Now that I'm retired and no longer have access to SolidWorks, my subscription to DesignSpark Mechanical Creator has worked very well for me. Using DesignSpark Mechanical software, I've created everything from a simple 3D printed bracket to a complete assembly for my new Gatton CNC 2.0 machine designs. So if you'd like to learn DesignSpark Mechanical software to help create your own shop projects, whether it be for your CNC router, your CO2 or diode laser, or your 3D printer, subscribe to my channel and watch for my tutorial videos. I would highly recommend that you go to the DesignSpark Mechanical website and download one of the free trials. I go very slowly when I'm doing my tutorials and make it easy for you to draw along with me. Should you have any questions about something in the tutorial, you can watch my Hobby CNC with Dave live stream that I do every Wednesday evening at 8 p.m. Eastern and ask your questions in the live chat. That's going to do it for this one. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.